Good morning, guys. It's Kevin here from Tranquility Escapes. Today we are in Atlantic Beach, Long Island. We're going to be working on a pondless waterfall. This customer has two features in this backyard. One's been kind of out of commission for the last few years. It's been on the back burner projects for them to renovate. This year is finally the time they're going to be renovating this pondless waterfall. Should be a quick, easy project. We'll be in and out of here hopefully by the end of the week. The only thing with this project is access. It seems to be the theme of this year. These backyards and their accesses, it keeps getting tighter and tighter. This one is really tight. Let me show you guys what we're talking about. Put in probably about 1 ton of boulders. You can see this whole pile right here. It's probably 1.5 tons, 1 ton. We have some of the old boulders that were existing in this old waterfall, but we can't bring more rock on this right now because we literally don't have room. We have our gravel pile here that takes up this area. We have all of our buckets and gravel. I'm standing on the deck. We're obviously not staging anything on the deck, just anything on the plywood to protect that turf. So it's definitely tight. Just to stand over here from the viewing area, we have to kind of climb over these rocks, get around here just to keep going back and forth. But we got our materials in. Now it's time for the fun part to start building this pondless waterfall. Rob's taking out some of the old retaining boulders up there. But now we get to repurpose some of the old boulders, bring some new boulders in, and build about a 10 to 11 foot long pondless waterfall. We're going up to that Japanese maple right back there. We got our 6-block reservoir in yesterday. It's about a 200-gallon reservoir. We're going to be doing a patio spillway bowl kind of right in this area over here. So as long as we can get that metal drop in, this bottom section rocked in, that spillway bowl, I think we're in a good spot for tomorrow to kind of wrap up that top section. Thursday, finish up the edging, and then Friday do all the detail work. Do all the detail work, clean out that pond, and then clean up this work area. So we're gonna get to it. You guys know the plan. You guys are going on the time lapse. I'll catch up with you guys at the end of the day. And we're back at day 3 building this pondless waterfall. We got a good amount done yesterday. Hopefully we can wrap up this waterfall today. Monday there's no rocks really set, so yesterday we came in and we basically built all 10 feet of the stream over here. Right now Rob's leveling out the pad for the spillway bowl. Recessed in that corner is going to be a spillway bowl spilling into the stream. That's going to be cascading down into here. We have about 11 feet of stream coming all the way through here. We have another spillway, a really tight area that the water should rip through, another spillway up here, and then we're going to have our diffuser coming in over here. So we're going to rock in behind here until it looks like the water comes out of that Japanese maple where that pond waterfall comes. So it's like a headwater that splits through. It's going to look really natural when it's all said and done. We do have an existing retaining wall we're working within, so we're going to have to tidy up that liner on this edge. It's going to get a little tricky over here. We're definitely going to need some soil. We're going to have to bring in probably another yard of soil. And we have another retaining wall we're working with in the confines in as well.